having the standards for one another of believing that you need to be staying in peak sexual attraction, I think is a huge thing, which that's another one for me, right? Like intimacy is very important to me.
It's important to both of us. Yeah.
Like I've got to be, we had this conversation the other day. I did so much fucking drugs, right? So much drugs, so much drinking, just beat the shit out of myself that the only feeling I have of when I actually get those endorphins, that dopamine snapping is like if we were having sex or I'm making big fat checks, right?
Your two things, getting laid and getting paid.
Sex and checks.
Dopamine.
Sex and checks. I'm going to get that t-shirt. And so that's a standard, right? But that doesn't mean that I'm always saying, oh, like every day you need to fucking have sex with me or I can't operate, blah, blah, blah.
No, of course
you have to find another piece inside of it, which is my favorite piece of what we have. And it is the power of communication.
Yep. And I was just going to say, for the next standard is unmatched communication. I mean, we talk about everything. Good, bad, ugly, indifferent, uncomfortable, you name it, we're talking about it. And I think so many people get confused because, maybe not confused, but they allow so much. Oh, yeah, what's that? Fighting is healthy, right? We hear how often do we hear that
all the time
in the outside world? Fighting is healthy. No, it's not. You just really suck at communicating until everything blows up. And now because you're actually talking about it, you think, oh, that fight was healthy. You should have just fucking X-nayed the fight from the get-go and just communicated, right?
Yeah, absolutely.